This guide covers the setup and activation for ZESTEK LCM and BCM modules. The LCM module integrates lighting controls like turn signals and headlights. The BCM module integrates driving modes and lighting function controls. All these devices communicate wirelessly using VeloLink. Step 1. Obtain Velo code. Connect the SCX hub to your computer via a data cable. Enter the software settings page and find the Velo code option. Check and record the 4-digit Velo code shown by the system, like 1012. Disconnect the hub and connect the LCM module to your PC. Find the Velo code option in the software. Input the exact same 4 digits as the hub and save. After setting the LCM, please disconnect it. Connect the BCM module. Perform the same Velo code setup and save it. Reconnect the SCX hub to your PC and enter the software settings. Select your current vehicle model. Open the drop-down menu under the OEM adapter option to view all LCM and BCM settings. Setup complete. All settings are now active. Once installed in the car, when the SCX powers on, it will automatically search and pair with the LCM and BCM modules sharing the same Velo code. Once connected, all integrated control functions will work normally.